Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you guys today how to properly use shimmer shadows. So a lot of people have problems with the shimmer shadows because they say that they get a lot of fallout on their face and it doesn't stick properly onto their eyes, and also it doesn't give you that wow factor when you apply the shimmer. So it's very simple to actually use. Shimmer shadows are one of my easiest and my favorite things to use. Of things you need to know firstly is to prime your eyes. So make sure you prime your eyes so that the shimmer shadow has something to stick on. If it doesn't have anything to stick on, it's going to fly all over and you're going to get shimmer all over your face. The second tip I can give you is try doing your eyes first and then do the rest of your face, because if you do get fallout all over, you can go ahead and wipe away the fallout and then apply your foundation, giving you a flawless looking base. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, I'm going to close up and show you how I use my shimmer shadows. My favorite technique, even on my clients, is actually using my fingers, because the fingers swatch is something in your fingers. I think it's the natural oils in your fingers that kind of mix with the shimmer shadows, and it kind of just gives the most beautiful application. So yeah, that's my favorite way of applying. So I'm starting off by, well, I've already done my eyebrows and I've concealed them. Now I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. I'm using Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I'm going to go ahead and take this concealer brush from Zoeva. I'm just dipping my brush in it, and I'm going to go ahead and just cover my whole eyelid with this. So this whole area, and this area here by your nose as well. And I'm just spreading it, and when I come to the side, I'm just going to kind of like feather it out into my skin. I'm not going to set it, I'm just going to leave it wet like this. Right, so just an even layer. I'll be using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia to demonstrate. Starting off with demonstrating with this type of flat brush. This is from MAC. The color has come off, but I think it's a 239 brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just take some color from here. And I'm going to go ahead and just pat on. So by patting on, this is the results. Now I'm going to show you another way, and I'm just kind of like lifting my lids and I'm going to press it and slide it. Press and slide it. Press and slide. So can you see the difference? I hope you can see this in camera, because in person it's like a huge difference. The difference is it's so much more pigmented with the press and slide, as opposed to when you just pat on. So let me just come into the camera for you guys to see. So you can see that this, just by patting on, it just kind of puts the product, just kind of places the product there. And by pressing and sliding, can you see how much more pigment has come up? Right, now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. So this is what we use for blending. And I'm going to pick up the same color. I'm going to pack. And press and slide. So every type of method. And I'm picking up some more. So can you see the difference now with this side and that side? You can hardly see the product. So when you use a fluffy brush to pick up shimmer shadows, it hardly picks up and hardly shows on. I mean, compared to the flat side. Look at the flat side. Look at the fluffy brush. Now I'm going to show you with your finger. So I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to go ahead and press and slide, press and slide, press and slide. Can you see how much more product comes on? I'm just zooming in for you guys to see, but if you have a look, like, can you see this is the area I applied with the fluffy brush, and this is where I use my finger. Look how much more pigment it is with the finger. So side by side, you can see this is the side I use the brush, this is the press and slide, this is the patting motion, this is the fluffy brush, and this is the finger. Huge difference, right? Okay, now I'm showing you another trick. I'm picking up this light color called Glistening on the flat brush, and I'm going to put this in my inner corners. So I'm using that same method, that slide and press down, so that I get like a really bright inner corner. Now I'm going to take my flat brush and my MAC Fix Plus spray, which is a setting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush. I picked up the same color Glistening, and I'm going to apply that. And look at that. Look at the difference between this side and that side. Like this side is just so much more pigmented than that side. So that's another trick to get your shimmer shadows to really, really pop. You can also use it in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and just do that to show you. To really make your shadows pop and look really smooth. I hope you enjoyed this video and definitely try the MAC Fix Plus. Spray that on your brush and then pick up a shimmer shadow. You will be amazed. You can't use just normal water. A lot of people have tried normal water, but it doesn't give you the same effect like a MAC Fix Plus spray that will give you. I think there's some ingredients, maybe it's the glycerin or something like that in it, that it kind of activates the shimmer shadows and it will just give you a beautiful effect. I don't know if you could, you can't really see this on camera, but in person, you can really, really, really see the difference it makes. So I hope you liked this little video of mine and little tip of mine, and if you do try it, let me know, and I hope you learned something.